Okay, quadratic functions. The general term for quadratic function is fx equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the general term for quadratic functions where a, b, c is a constant. A, b, c is constant. Then a also does not equals to 0. And the maximum power for the variables, in this case is x, is 2. And the graph for the quadratic function is a smooth symmetrical curve. What does that mean? It means a smooth curve where the left hand side is symmetrical to the right hand side. And when a is larger than 0, the graph will be like this, a U shape. And a is smaller than 0, the graph will be like this, an N shape. And the position of the quadratic functions is determined by one equation. And the equation is b squared minus 4ac. And the position of the quadratic functions is determined the types of roots. Now let's take a look at types of root in quadratic equations. And we know that the general form of quadratic equation is fx equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. And the equation to determine the roots is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, there are 6 types of conditions in here. So the first type is when a is bigger than 0. So when a is bigger than 0, the graph will be y-axis, x-axis. This is when b squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0. The curve intersects x-axis at 2 points, and they have 2 real and distinct roots. And when b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the graph will be like this: y-axis, x-axis. The curve only intersects x-axis at 1 point, and this is they have 2 real and equal roots. And the third case for a bigger than 0 is when b squared minus 4ac is smaller than 0. And the graph will be like this: y-axis, x-axis. The curve does not intersect at the x-axis, and there are no real roots. Okay. Now let's take a look at when a is smaller than 0. when A is smaller than 0, when B squared minus 4AC bigger than 0, the graph will be like this. The quadratic equations intersect at the x-axis at 2 points. They have 2 real and distinct roots. And when b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the graph will be like this. Okay, sorry. The graph will be like this. X-axis, y-axis. The quadratic equations only intersect at 1 point. So they have 2 real and equal roots. And when b squared minus 4ac is smaller than 0, the graph is like this: y-axis, x-axis. The quadratic equation does not intersect at x-axis, so there are no real roots. Notice the difference when A is more than 0 and when A is bigger than 0. When A is bigger than 0, the graph is the U shape. And A is smaller than 0, the graph is an N shape. When b squared minus 4ac, there are three results for b squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0, equals to 0, and smaller than 0. Bigger than 0 meaning there are 2 intersections point at x-axis. Equals to 0 means they have 1 intersection point at x-axis. When it's smaller than 0, they have no intersection point, meaning they have no real roots. Okay, take a look at this example. Given fx is equal to x minus 1 multiply 3x plus 1. We are asked to find the shape and the position of the quadratic functions. Okay, first of all, let us expand it. X multiplied 3x will be 3x squared. X multiplied plus 1 is positive x. Negative 1 multiplied 3x will be negative 3x. Negative 1, positive 1 will be negative 1. So it will become 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So this is the quadratic functions. So let's take a look at A, which is number 3. So in this case, A is bigger than 0. Right. So now let's determine what are the roots for these quadratic functions. So the general equation will be b squared minus 4ac. Okay. B squared. B is negative 2. So negative 2 squared minus 4. A will be 3. C will be negative 1. So negative 2 squared will be 4 minus 4 multiplied 3 multiplied negative 1 will be negative 12. And negative become positive. So this is 4 plus 12 is 16, which is bigger than 0. Okay, now let us draw the graph. Y-axis, x-axis. Okay. A bigger than 0. Is it a U shape or a N shape? Which one? Definitely the U shape, is not the N shape. And when b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0, meaning they have two real and distinct root. So this is the position of the functions. Okay, now let's take a look at another example. Given by the questions, this is the quadratic equations. And we are asked to find the shape and the position of the graph. Okay, first we determine A first. A is here, -1. So A is smaller than 0. And then let us find out the value of b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. In this case, b is 3. So meaning 3 squared minus 4. A is -1. And do we have any c here? No, right? So it's 0. So this is equal to 3 squared is 9. 4 multiplied -1 multiplied 0 is 0. So 9 is bigger than 0. So how does the graph look like? A is smaller than 0, meaning the graph is a U shape. The graph is U shape and b squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0. So the graph should be like this. Two real and distinct root. Okay, next we are given these quadratic functions and it touches x-axis at one point, meaning b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So we are asked to find the value of p. So in this case, A is this one, 2 minus 3p. B is 4 minus p. And C is 2. So we substitute all these into this equation. And we will have b squared will be 4 minus p squared minus 4. A is 2 minus 3p. 2 minus 3p multiply C is 2 equals to 0, because this quadratic functions is only touches x-axis at one point, which means b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. Now we expand these equations. This we can rewrite into 4 minus p, 4 minus p, because 4 minus p squared, write into 4 minus p, multiply 4 minus p, and this we will get 4 multiply 2 is 16. 4 multiply -3 multiply 2 will be -24p equals to 0. 4 multiply 4, 16. 4 multiply -p, -4p. Negative p multiply 4 will be -4p. Negative p multiply negative p will be positive p squared. Positive 16 multiply negative 16. Negative become positive. Equals to 0. Okay, so we put p square first. P square, only one p square, so p square. So minus 4 plus 24 is positive 16 p. So 16 positive 16 minus negative 16 is 0. So the whole thing equals to 0. So take out the p plus 16 equals to 0. So p is equal to 0 or p is equal to negative 16. So p has two values in these questions. And if you have any questions regarding this subtopic, please comment below this video and we will further explain to you.